Hey, we're at a friend's and I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna show you all the boiler. Okay, that is the right switch. It's through here. Now you can't see much. Okay. Oh, let's see that again. Here it is. It's a ViessMann Atola, and it's gas, natural gas. It is a 77 kilowatt, and it's gas, natural. I don't know what size it is or how old it is, but it is fairly new. Yeah, I don't know how old it is. And this here is for solar hot water. And this is a hot water heater tank. ViessMann. And this here is for the hydronic in-floor heating. ViessMann or ViessMann. Our other friend has one just like his, except it's bigger and it's a dual gas and oil. And this here's the holding cell, the pump, and that's the boiler. ViessMann. Oh, let's do this light. Cool. Preheat fluorescence. Pretty cool. So yeah, here's the electrical panel, and here's one of the radiators, and here's the bathroom. Oh, there's a fan in here too. I got something else to film. Anyways, here's one of the radiators. It's a double barrel. Yeah, over here.